Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Um, this is another Gary Rivera live wake up call to my brothers and sisters in Africa. Whether you are in the land of Africa or you are outside Africa, we've been talking about a couple of topics on the African spirituality, which this channel is majorly meant for. So, the African spirituality is as old as we humans, and as we were told that humans evolved in Africa. So that means our spirituality is as old as human. Now, why all of the sudden we Africans we've changed our orientation just all of a sudden, all in the name of civilization and all that?